Hi, my name's Ashley. I'm 35 and I'm originally from England, and I studied Wagon here in Stockholm in October 2020. Before Wagon, I was a lawyer in England specialising in occupational disease, and I did that for about 9 years. I wanted to learn how to code because I was really interested in getting into the tech industry, and I thought coding was the best first step to take. Before Wagon, I had done no coding at all, so my first experience of coding was the prep work that Wagon assigned. Now I am employed by the upskill company here in Stockholm, and I am currently a consultant software engineer at the H&M Group, and I focus on logistics. For me, the biggest challenge during the training was the pace of the course, because you learn so much within 9 weeks that on certain days there could be a lot of information to take in. My advice for those who want to start the bootcamp is clear out your diary for the next 9 weeks, because you do need to give this course your full attention, but also just really enjoy it. Enjoy learning how to code, because it's great fun.